How to play Emoji Pong on Instagram. Playing the Emoji Pong game is a very simple and easy process. Here's how you can play it. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your device. On Instagram, make sure that you are logged in to your account. To play the Emoji Pong game, navigate to your chat section. Firstly, tap on the home icon from the bottom panel. Then swipe right or click on the messenger icon at the top right corner. Once you are in the chat section, select a random chat. To play the Emoji Pong game, you need to send or receive an emoji. Select a random emoji and send it. After the emoji has been sent, then click on the emoji once, and just like that, you will be able to play the game. In this game, you need to make sure that the emoji does not fall on the ground. If it falls on the ground, then you will lose. To play again, you need to simply tap on the play again option, and if you want to exit or quit, click on the back option. And just like this, you can play the Emoji Pong game on your Instagram. If this feature is not available on your Instagram, then make sure to update it. This feature is only available on the latest version, so make sure that you update the Instagram app. Check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. So that is it for this video. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.